How to fill a friend bar in Monopoly Go. So the first thing you should do here is to open your Monopoly Go application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now the question is how to fill friend bar here in Monopoly Go. First, just go to this friends button at the bottom right corner and then click invite. Now, once you tap this one, you will have two options here on how to invite friends here in Monopoly Go. So first, you can invite through copying their link or send directly this link to any specific social media platform. So, for example, if you want to invite someone from your WhatsApp, Instagram account, or your Snapchat, email address, Facebook, Telegram, and other social media platforms here. So, you just have to send it directly, and all they have to do is to accept your invitation. Another method here to invite your friend is through Facebook. So you can tap this one and then send this invitation to any of your friends here on Facebook. Actually, this one is recommended because if you have tons of friends in your Facebook account, and if all of them will accept your invitation here in Monopoly Go, then that is an advantage for you. You just have to click and select those specific friends that you want to invite here in your Monopoly Go game, and you will have tons of friends here in Monopoly Go. So these are just a few ways on how to invite or fill friend bar here in your Monopoly Go. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.